I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog with a quick minute about mechanical keyboard switches. People choose mechanical keyboards because the keys offer tactile feedback and more precision than the ultra-thin keyboards that rely on membranes and scissor switches. You can use a key puller to remove the keycaps from a mechanical keyboard, revealing the switches beneath. Replacement switches, stick to the ones that are compatible with your keyboard sockets, can be ordered with all sorts of different characteristics. For example, more actuation force needed, clickier, or quieter. You can even mix switches on a keyboard to make different keys sound and behave differently. It's an easy project, and by swapping out keys, you can completely change your mechanical keyboard without replacing it. You can find a full range of mechanical keyboards for gaming and productivity at Best Buy.